Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about the swept boss base feature. So, swept boss base, what that does is you could have a sketch, and that will be the main profile, and then you have some pattern you want it, or not pattern, you have some path that you want that cross section to follow through. So, we'll go ahead and jump right into it. But a practical example of that could be um, maybe you want to design like a special pipe. Okay, so if I go ahead and sketch my right plane, let's just use our spline tool. So let's say you have this interesting S shape. Okay, and then for the path, what you want is you want to create a plane here that is, I want it to be perpend or let's see, I want it to be coincident, and then second reference, maybe like tangent. Okay, so this is going to be a tangent plane to that point. And then on this plane, I'm going to sketch a circle here. Okay, so this is my special path and my cross section. Then if I do the swept boss, the first sketch is going to be the pattern, and then the second is going to be the path. Okay, so if I click OK, you see that it made my special pipe. Okay, so that's how you do the swept boss base tool. And you could come in here and take a look. There's like a lot of different options too. You could say it's like how you could show like a mesh preview, for example, zebra stripes, curvature comb. So these are really pretty advanced tools if you really want to get into the nitty-gritty of how it looks, but for most like day-to-day application, you won't care too much. You could have like start and end tangencies. Those will help like the way some of these paths are aligned. I don't really touch those too much. I just have it go by default. And you have what's called like a circular profile, so that by itself will get a circle for you. Or you could use a sketch profile, which we just did, which is the sketch. And this pattern could really be anything. I'm just using a circle for demonstration, but you could go ahead and play with whatever you want. Okay, so that is the sweatbox based feature for you in SolidWorks. And if you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.